Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to build a simple circuit to collect weather data from BME280 sensor. We will use Adafruit BME280 library to collect this data. Subsequently, we will feed this data to Azure IoT Hub using azure-iot-sdk for Python. So let's get started. Now let's implement a Python script to read temperature, humidity, pressure and altitude values from BME280 sensor. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. We will be using FileZilla to move file across Raspberry Pi device. So let's first configure our FileZilla. Click on File, Site Manager, then click on New Site. Let's give good name. Then in Protocol, make sure you select SFTP, which stands for SSH File Transfer Protocol. Then provide details for your host. In my case, IP address of my Raspberry Pi device is 192.168.1.110. Provide your username, then provide password. Connect. Now let's create a directory on your Raspberry Pi device. to store our example. Let's give a name to. That's good. Now let's navigate to CircuitPython site where we can find sample code for this application. On this page, they have provided all the instructions how to set up the sample code. So we are interested in this piece of code. So I have already copied this code and saved to this file read-sensor-data.py. Now let's copy this file from my desktop to our Raspberry Pi device in the YouTube folder. Yep, successfully copied. Now let's SSH into Raspberry Pi. SSH Pi at 52.168.110 and password. Yep. Now let's navigate to the directory that we have created, cd YouTube, and here is our file read-sensor-data.py. So let's display what are the contents. Cat read sensor data, and this is our small program. Remember, at this stage if you try to run this script, it won't work because it needs an additional Python library, which is this one. So make sure you have installed this before executing this script. So I will install that first. Yeah, it says requirement already satisfied because it was already installed on my machine. So now let's try to run this program if it is reading temperature, pressure and all other values. You can see this Python script has started reading the values. So temperature is currently 18.8, humidity is 63.1 and so on. So let me put my finger onto the temperature sensor. You can see now the temperature is 24.4. This is how simple it is to collect data from BME280 sensor. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. To keep this video short and concise, I will create another video in which I will show you how to create Azure IoT Hub in your Azure subscription and how to upload this weather data to Azure IoT Hub. Thanks for watching.